When you're born, a certain way is an assurance in you that this is taking you somewhere, and you've got to live with it. You've got to have the faith in nature that it's created you a certain way and is reaching out with certain things for you. There are bad experiences in this world, but you don't live out of those anticipations. If everybody's heart could leave all these presumptions that you could be hurt, so let's just keep these defense mechanisms out there. If we don't do that, we won't change our basic formatting. When you change your core, your format, that the way you're designed, everything about your humanity changes. And let that be your natural human behavior. We all are blessed in the same way. It's just that each one has a different purpose. Each one has been given a different ability to render a purposeful life and make this world a better place. So I'm doing what I was born to do, and I'm sure if everybody's doing what they're born to do, this world is going to be a colorful and meaningful place to live in. There is no other heaven. This is it. This is the world. So we can create that to be heaven or not. That's a choice we make. I always say love is where it all begins, because that's the reminder. No matter how uncomfortable somebody gets with it, I always say, please begin with your love. That's where you will find your happiness.